Charles Lyell's great contribution was to argue that laws of nature are constant over time, and that scientists must explain past events in terms of processes they can observe in the present. This way of thinking, called uniformitarianism, holds that the geological processes we see in action today must be the same ones that shaped Earth millions of years ago. Long ago, ancient volcanoes released lava and gases, just as volcanoes do now. Ancient rivers slowly dug channels and carved canyons, just as they do today. Lyell's theories, like those of James Hutton before him, required enough time in Earth's history for these changes to take place. Like Hutton, Lyell argued that the Earth was much older than a few thousand years. Otherwise, how would a river have enough time to carve out a valley? Charles Darwin had begun to read Lyell's books during the voyage of the Beagle, which was lucky. Lyell's work helped Darwin appreciate the significance of an earthquake he witnessed in South America. The quake was so strong that it threw Darwin onto the ground. It also lifted a stretch of rocky shoreline more than 3 meters out of the sea, with mussels and other sea animals clinging to it. Sometime later, Darwin observed fossils of marine animals in mountains thousands of feet above sea level. Those experiences amazed Darwin and his companions. How did marine animals get up thousands of feet above sea level, up into the mountains? But only Darwin turned them into a startling scientific insight. He realized that he had seen evidence that Lyell was correct. Geological events like the earthquake, repeated many times over many years, could build South America's Andes Mountains a few feet at a time. Rocks that had once been beneath the sea could be pushed up into the peaks of mountains. Darwin asked himself, if Earth can change over time, could life also change?